Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about KNB scholarship, Indonesian scholarship. So let's start. In this video I will tell you the simple method about this scholarship, so don't worry about this with proof, because one of my friend from India got this recommendation letter which I tell you in this video, get from Indonesian embassy in India. So the process is same for all the students, so let's follow me. Okay, click on type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can come on our website cscguideofficial.com and click on other scholarship or click on current scholarship. You can see KNB Indonesia scholarship 2020, just online apply, no need to pay application fee. So what is KNB Indonesia scholarship? Multiple universities. How many universities I will tell you in this video, don't worry about this. This scholarship is only for master and bachelor students, fully funded scholarship. Everything is free. They will cover your air tickets as well, books and other things. So it's just how much stipend they give, I will tell you in this video, don't worry about it. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 20th of April is the last day to apply. All international students can apply for this scholarship. You can apply with English proficiency certificate. If you don't have any IELTS, then don't worry about this. Okay, how you apply for this scholarship? So just send your documents through email to Indonesian embassy in your country for getting a recommendation letter in the respective country. Means from your country, the Indonesia embassy send email to Indonesian embassy for getting recommendation letter. And how you send this email and which documents you attach with this email, I will tell you. So once you get the recommendation letter, then you fill the online application form of KNB online application form. So click here to go to the online application form, but first you get the recommendation letter from the embassy. So let's start how you get this recommendation letter. So CV, how your recommendation letter is, a list of required documents is CV, cover letter, how you write your cover letter. Here is the cover letters sample. Copy this and paste it into your a file attached with the cover letter. Okay, and attached with your documents. Okay, now intermediate result with mark sheets, bachelor degree, bachelor transcript, recommendation letters, health and fitness certificate, passport validity. Maybe in your country these all documents not required, but for getting something wrong, but all these maybe they ask us to send you again. You've already fulfilled the requirements and sent all documents to your embassy. Okay, no, it's just send your documents, not have a big deal. Okay, bachelor degree, bachelor transcript, 2 recommendation letters, fitness certificate. This fitness certificate don't have any format, so if you have any fitness certificate, then you can use it. Passport validity is of 6 months. My friend who is getting I show you which recommendation letter you get from embassy. So my friend who from India, he go to the Indonesian embassy and show his documents to them, and they says that after 2 days we will mail you the recommendation letter. And after 2 days they asked them to my friend that send these documents like cover letter, CV and all other things. So and after 1 day they get the recommendation letter after sending email documents to them. Okay, no, passport validity 6 month, English proficiency certificate, motivational letter or study plan. If you have invitation letter, you must send invitation letter and all these documents to embassy. Click here to download the invitation letter, download it and attach it. Is as same as you can get this sent to it to the Indonesian embassy. Okay, now after getting recommendation letter, you must fill the CSC online application form. Okay, list of university, how which universities offers scholarship. You can see when you click on this link, the file will be downloaded, and these are the list of the universities which offer scholarship. Now you think that in which university my major, so according to your situation. So don't worry about this. Once you get the recommendation letter, then then open the university in which you want to select, which you want to go. Then go to the international go to the website of the university and check your major. I will tell you how you check this. Okay, programs offering, which program is offering for this scholarship. So click here to get the program list. So when you click here, you can see the list of the programs which they offers. Here is the programs: chemical engineering, civil architecture, and these kind of things, public administration, political science and sociology, psychology, law, economics, and these kind of things. All these majors are available. If your major is in the list, then apply as soon as possible. Okay, and how much stipend they gives, you can see. Living allowance is IDR 2750100000. So Google it and make it according to your currency, according to your country currency. Okay, everything is free. So they also give you research allowance, books allowance, and all things. Okay, and now I'm from Pakistan, so that's why I type the email of Indonesian embassy in Pakistan. So you can Google it or ask from someone in your country that what is the embassy, Indonesian embassy email, and send email embassy. If you are if you go to that embassy directly, then you can do it. So it's not a big deal. Okay, click here to go to the official advertisement. Here is the official advertisement is this one which I show you. So don't worry about this. You can also check the requirements criteria with this file when you download it. Click offering programs. Okay, now after getting the recommendation letter from Indonesian embassy, then go to the online application form. Here is the online application form. Here is the you can see the online application form. Here, click here to go to the online application form and sign in. Okay, after signing in, open the form, but first you get the recommendation letter from embassy. Okay, I sign in and come back. Okay, now I sign in. Hope so you all these you understand all these things. So I give you the overview. 20th of April is the last date. I fill the form. How you fill this form, I will give you the time. Oh, don't worry about this. So all this 20th of April is the last date. All international students can apply recommendation letter. These are the documents. Attach the documents with email. You send to the send to email to on this, and according to your send email to according to your Indonesian embassy email. Okay, so this is the very simple method. Once you get the recommendation letter, okay, no, I will give you the proof. This is my friend Rahul, is my friend from India. He gets the this is the recommendation letter from Indian embassy in Indonesia, Indonesian Indian embassy in India. So when you get this recommendation letter, you can get this one. Okay, so this is the proof of Indonesian embassy recommendation letter. So you can get it. No, nothing is possible. No, once my friend or you get this one, and no, you can fill the online application form. Here is the online application form, and your requirements, and attach all the documents to with your in your email. Okay, now fill to the form. Once you get the recommendation letter, fill the form. Click on personal detail and give the personal detail according to your situation, according to your according to your condition. Okay, no, photo, attach your photo, your file name, your date, place of birth, gender, status, and passport, scan passport, and street address, and these kind of things. And after filling this, you can go to the educational background. Once you go to the educational background, so you can see here is the educational background. Education level is if you are applying for bachelor degree, then your education level is senior high. If you're applying for master degree, then your education level is bachelor. Okay, study program, you type your study program, educational name in which you are graduated, from which you are graduated, starting date, end date, GPA, grade, and these are things. Scanned copy of certificate means your highest degree, and a scanned copy of transcript means your highest transcript. Okay, attach it and save it. Okay, after this click on propose study program. What is your study program? So come here, and you can see first preference means these are the universities which offering scholarship in Indonesia. So once you get the recommendation letter, then copy this university name, and go to the university list. copy this and also select your major, master degree, or then copy this university name and type in Google, type in Google and go to the university website and check that, and open the departments or faculty link. If your faculty or department or programs in available on this website, on the official website of this university which you want to select, and it means your major is available. But once I will make a detailed video on this, how you find the major in Indonesian embassy. So don't worry about this. First you try to get recommendation letter. So once you, and this is the preference, first preference says, and select your major, okay, and you can say okay, no, okay, it's very simple, okay, no, means when you select the name, university name, you can see, you can check the study programs. Okay, study programs is available in this university, means civil engineering is also available in this university. If you check change the university, and then we can see, check it, either other programs are also available or not. Okay, this is the program list in this university, means in this university which I select now, there is no civil engineering program, so you can work according to your situation. Okay, so this is good, is the good thing, and just select your second preference and go to the, and type your skills, other things, describe your research, 250 words, and save it. Okay, now came to the employment history. If you have any employment history, achievements, and no, the question is that where we upload the recommendation letter which I get from, which you get from embassy. So you can see the attachments. Okay, type the position, company, if you do some jobs or internships, give the detail of your internship. So go to the attachment option. When you go to the attachment option, you can see two recommendation letters which you get from your professor, which you applied, like which you get from from your professor, your previous university. Okay, recommendation letter from your Indonesian embassy. The recommendation letter which you get from Indonesian embassy, upload here. Okay, no, this recommendation letter from your government, if any. If you don't have any recommendation letter, then leave it, but this recommendation letter is very important for you. Medical statement means if you have medical statement, you must have medical statement. Fitness report, you upload here. English proficiency certificate, upload the English proficiency certificate here, and medical history statement, terms and condition. And after doing this, you can submit your online application form. Click on personal detail. When you fill all these application form, click on personal detail and submit it. Here is the option, I think is where is the option, in summary. Click on summary. You can see when you fill all these documents, check all these it is okay, check it. If your check option is okay, then it means your application is okay, and submit it all your required documents. So hope so you understand it. Okay, the simple method is prepare your all these documents and send it to your Indonesian embassy email according to your country. Good luck and take care of you. Stay connected with me.